Hi guys, we're gonna do another unboxing video for today. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At sa mga nag-subscribe na, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Pero bago natin buksan yung aking latest haul, let me share with you first my very small but growing Michael Kors shoe collection. So ito yung pinakaunang MK shoes na nabili ko, guys. I think it was November last year, and I bought this because I thought I was gonna work at Walmart for a long time. Kasi yung Walmart na vest is blue, so I thought matchy-matchy, but that didn't work out. But I love the shoe so much. Medyo marumi na siya kasi nasuot ko na siya ng ilang beses. Yan yung MK logo. And the color is so pretty. I actually fall in love with that color. It's blue but kind of like dark blue. Yeah. Gusto ko yung pagka-blue niya actually. Yan. At saka it's very slim. Look at that. Bagay lang din sa paa ko. Maliit lang kasi yung paa ko. Ito naman yung pangalawang nabili ko. I think December. Yan. Brown naman siya, na may metal din siya. Ito yung, you know. Yan, super also. They're very comfortable. So far, I wear them long time. Wala akong naging problema. Walang naging blister or sumakit yung paa ko. Nothing like that. Ito, medyo may pagka-chunky siya. Ito, meron din namang konting takong or heel, but mas chunky itong isa. More expensive than the other one. Naman yung nabili ko recently. I don't know, I don't remember anymore. Just this month, I think, or February. I think it was February when I bought it. Yan, gusto ko rin siya. Type na type ko din yung color. Yan, brown at saka green. May konting bright color na pink. May konting yellow, may konting white. I wear it so many times already. Yan, ayan marumi na yung lapa-lapa niya. Okay guys, let's unbox my new shoes. Oops. Buksan na natin. Ayan na guys. Baliktad yung box niya sa loob. I got this from michaelkorsoutlet.com kasi yung mga sapatos nila, may mga ang daming clearance eh. Ang daming clearance sale and it's very cheap. I thought it was really cheap. And this is the Michael Kors Dev Trainer in color navy multi. And it's size 5M. This is, guys, actually the same shoes but just in different color. I mean, the same shoes from the previous one I bought. Iba lang yung color niya. Tingnan na natin siya. Another blue or navy color Michael Kors shoes. Ayan. Oh my god, I'm in love again. It's so pretty. Look at the color combination. Ito naman, blue siya. May dark blue, may light blue. At meron din siyang bright green. At saka yung, kung naalala nyo yung isa kong shoes, yung previous na nabili ko, yung bottom part niya is ganito yung color. At yung inside naman ng shoes na nung previous one is the inside was this color. So maybe I can partner them. I mean, you know, mismatch. I bought this for the purpose na baka pwede ko siya i-mismatch dun sa isa. Kaya bumili ako ng the same shoes, the same style, magkaiba lang yung color. Ano sa palagay nyo, guys? Pwede ko ba silang i-mismatch dun sa isa kong nabili? Actually, suot ko ngayon yung Ano kasi alis na kami. I'm just doing a very short vlog. Ang ganda din, di ba? Meron din siyang konting parang pink, but it's like pink. It's pink. Kasi sometimes I'm colorblind kasi maano na nga yung mata ko, medyo maano na. Malabo. And I destroyed my prescription glasses because I dropped it somewhere and got destroyed. And look at that. You got the silver medal at yung isa gold medal siya. At yung ano niya, yellow siya dito. I think pwede ko siyang i-mismatch. We're gonna try it on. We're gonna try to mismatch it. So yan na guys, ang bago nating latest na nabili natin sa michaelkorsoutlet.com. They're very comfortable to wear and they're very lightweight. Hindi gaya ng mga sapatos ko from Fila. They're very heavy because they're chunky shoes actually. Kasi ako sa bright green. So, ayan o. Ang ganda nung inside niya. Green. So, this is what I got for today. Latest edition in my growing Michael Kors shoes collection. Sabi ni Habi, wag na daw ako bumili. Hindi daw pwede ipasok yung ulo ko sa sapatos. Dalawa lang daw yung paa ko. Kaya dapat, sa dami na ng sapatos ko, wag na daw ako bumili. So, ano sa tingin nyo guys? Pwede ko ba siyang isuot with this one? Pwede ba natin siya i-mismatch? Siguro pwede. I'm gonna definitely wear this mismatch. Like that. And then this one. I feel like I'm gonna have 3 pairs. Kasi pwede naman eh. Kasi diba may green. Tsaka may green din yung inside niya. Tsaka yung pink niya dito. Meron din siya dito sa lapalapa at sa loob. Yung loob nito. So, pwede natin siya i-mismatch, guys. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully to see you in my next vlog. God bless you.